National Electrical Code, NEC, Article 230.90. States that for services rated above 100 amps, the service conductors shall have an ampacity of not less than the rating of the service. This requirement does not specifically address the use of multiple 4/0 aluminum service entrance SER conductors connected to separate main breakers within 9 feet of the meter can. However, several factors must be considered. Firstly, the ampacity of 4/0 aluminum SER. The ampacity of 4/0 aluminum SER in a 90 degrees Celsius, which is 194 degrees Fahrenheit ambient temperature, is 200 amps as per NEC Table 310.16. Secondly, main breaker requirements. The main breakers in each panel must have a rating that is equal to or greater than the ampacity of the service conductors connected to them. Thirdly, short circuit current. The total calculated short circuit current at the main breakers must not exceed their interrupting rating. While the use of two 4/0 aluminum SER conductors connected to separate main breakers within 9 feet of the meter can is not specifically prohibited by the NEC, it is important to ensure that the following conditions are met. Firstly, the ampacity of the 4/0 aluminum SER conductors is equal to or greater than the rating of the service. Secondly, the main breakers in each panel have a rating equal to or greater than the ampacity of the service conductors connected to them. Thirdly, the total calculated short circuit current at the main breakers does not exceed their interrupting rating. It is always advisable to consult with the local electrical inspector or engineer to ensure that the proposed service configuration complies with the NEC and local codes. They can provide specific guidance based on the specific conditions of your installation.